Easy guys, welcome to the video. We're doing about macros today. If you don't know what macros are, stay tuned. You're going to find out some cool stuff on how to automate your wobbles a bit more technically, and make use of like more contrast between fast wobbles, slow wobbles, things like that. Okay, so the macro is literally just a master parameter, okay, like a master knob. Okay, and you can assign it to multiple things, and then when you turn it, it turns all the things. Okay, so it's not rocket science. I'm gonna go for 2 triangles, and I'm gonna go 2 octaves level down on this second one, and then first one we're gonna FM from B, so that's sending this higher signal through this wave, and I'm gonna stick the first press trigger, sticking this wob on there. And then I'll double click there and just get that gap there, and it just gives it a bit more precision. Click mono, and I'll give this one a go. So I'll just jump in here. And then what I like to do is come here and MIDI control, put a bit of a pitch bend in it. We're looking for that wailing sort of moaning pitch bend, just a bit of movement within the pitch, because these styles don't rely on melody as much the same ways. So that's cool, and I'm gonna get the macro now here. I'm gonna drag this on. Let's turn it off BPM for this one, and I'm gonna do Alt, Shift and click. Cool, now when we turn the macro, let's get this automation lane, and then when we move the macro, all of a sudden we have this line. And now if we jump into here, we can sort of decide where we want it to go. Cool, start it slow. Cool. Command and D, I'm going to double that up, and I'm just going to get rid of this, because what I want is I'm going to copy this to here for a little stab, but instead of a stab we're going to try speed it up. We'll stick this on here as well, little filter, get it on B as well, and then Alt Shift click if you don't like that mode. Bit of resonance gives it that bubbliness. Remember the FM amount. Cool, so let's play with this now. Let's keep it slow. Instead, and next little energy pocket on fill, and then nice and slow that time. And we'll double it up, get this one, so we've A B'd it now, so we've got A and B, and then stabs A and B, oh no sorry, A and that's energy pocket. Let's have another go now. If we use the smooth, if I group all these basses, Command and R, call it bass, stick a gate on it, get that kick cutting through. And let me just show you the little pattern that you might want to do with it. So what I would do is get rid of this, and then we want completely new bass. Go for a little wreath. And then we'll try the asim. Cool, so we'll just spread that a bit, random down. And then let's try maybe comb. Cool, so let's give it a listen now. One more thing. We'll grab the saturator on this group. Now you can do this on individual ones as well. And then we're just going to do a saturator sandwich with this EQ. So get 2 EQs. Boost it a bit. Remember, if you drive it 4 dB, reduce it 4 dB. Unless you pull it down here and you can just get it right. But now, take a little bit out. Cool, so that's before the saturator. And then this one.